Hi everybody, I'm Randy again from Medical Technology Georgia, and I'm here today to show everybody Instant Cath, our product for people with good dexterity for self-catheterization. Instant Cath is a closed system catheter available in two different packaging options. We have standard size packaging, and we also have mini pack, which is preferred by most users. Now let's take a look and see what's inside of each package. Simply peel the top back, and you'll find a pair of cuffed folded, latex-free, medium-sized gloves. We also have an underpad. There shouldn't be any spilling, but just in case, we do include this. It has a shiny side on one side, paper side on the other, and you want to put the shiny side on the legs, paper side up. There's a gauze pad for cleanup afterwards. We also have a benzalkonium chloride prep for antiseptic cleansing prior to catheterization. And this is our 14 French Instant Cath. This product's also available in 12 and 16 French, and for the time being I'm just going to set the catheter down on the pad. And finally, the last component is our privacy bag. And this is designed for discreet disposal of the catheterization and supplies once the catheterization episode is complete. So now let's take a look at the catheter. This is a closed system, and the bag serves two purposes. It's going to protect the sterility of the catheter, and it's also going to collect the urine once the urine starts to flow. The catheter within is pre-lubricated, so that step's been eliminated. All of our products have the all-important introducer tip. And I'll pull this off. You wouldn't do this, but I'll just show you how this works. The tip is actually a soft silicone membrane that protects the catheter below from bacteria that can cause UTI. And when the catheter is within that introducer tip, it becomes firm. The whole idea here is that even if you use the antiseptic prep and use soap and water ahead of time, the problem is bacteria that can cause UTI are inside the urethra. You can't address those externally. The introducer tip allows you to pass the catheter beyond 90% of urethral bacteria, thereby pushing 9 times fewer bacteria to the bladder. It's very important when removing the cap from Instant Cath or Instant Cath Coude that you gently pry the cap off the introducer tip in this manner. Okay? And the reason we say to do that is you want to make sure that you always leave the introducer tip intact. You don't want to pull the cap straight away from the bag, because in some cases it can actually catch the introducer tip and pull the tip completely off. You want to make sure the tip is in place, as it is in this one on my left hand, versus the one on my right hand, which has the introducer tip completely removed. So let's take a look now and see how the catheter is manipulated from within the bag through the urethra. What we're going to do is we're going to advance the catheter. You're going to start about an inch below the blue clip, and you're going to push the catheter through the introducer tip, and when the bag bunches, you're going to squeeze the blue clip and pull the bag back. Push, squeeze, pull, push, squeeze, pull. Now this product is designed for people with good dexterity. If you have poor dexterity, please check out our other videos, Easy Advancer and Easy Gripper, which are also on our website. In Instant Cath, our catheters are 16 inches long, medical grade PVC plastic, and we actually fire polish the eyelets to ensure maximum comfort. Okay, so now let's show everybody how to actually use the Instant Cath catheter. Okay, so prior to catheterization, always wash your hands and wash the anatomy with soap and water. Now we're ready to catheterize. I'm going to do everything with my right hand. I'm going to hold the penis with my left. I'm actually going to use the last 3 fingers of my left hand to secure the penis at a 45-degree angle from the body. If there's any foreskin, I'm going to use those 3 fingers to draw the foreskin back and expose the glands. Then I'm going to take the benzalkonium wipe and I'm going to go around the glands 1 time with the wipe. I'm going to get rid of it, and I'm going to reach back and get my catheter, and the catheter and the introducer tip are both inserted into the urethra, and then I'm going to stabilize everything with my left hand using that thumb and index finger, just like so. I'm going to push, squeeze, pull the bag back, push, squeeze, pull the bag back, and continue this motion probably about 6 to 8 pushes until I see urine flow. Now, if I encounter any resistance, I'm going to take a deep breath, relax. You never want to force the catheter in, and once I'm relaxed, I'm going to continue to feed the catheter. Now let's pretend I see urine flow. I'm going to give the catheter one more push to get the catheter right in the middle of the bladder. I'm going to straighten the bag between my legs, let the urine flow in, and when I'm finished, I'm going to pull the catheter out about 1 inch, see if I get any more fluid, and then I'm going to reach back and grab my gauze pad, and as the catheter leaves the body, I'm going to use that gauze pad to collect the islets, just like so. So the last step is tearing the bag. There's a perforation mark where you want to start, so tear that across, and then just be careful to tear down into the bag, just like that. Turn the bag upside down, pour the urine off into the toilet. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit our website, medtechga.com, where you can also request free samples.